Yo, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shaq the Beast, man. Today we're gonna be changing the clutch reservoir. I don't know why on the GM decided on the Camaros to make the brake fluid and the clutch fluid one reservoir, but not on like the Corvettes and the GTOs. But we're gonna be installing this. I'm pretty sure the 6th gen Camaros have the same issue, but it shouldn't take that long. It's a real quick and easy install. I've done it on multiple Camaros. So I'm gonna set up the tripod and you guys can watch me do it. Alright y'all, so the 3 things you're gonna need for this install. You're gonna need some paper towels. It's gonna get messy. Some pliers, little pliers, and a Phillips screwdriver. That's like the first main 3 things you're gonna need. My engine bay is a little dirty because the car's been sitting outside for a year due to circumstances. Not because of me, due to circumstances. So I'm gonna go grab some brake clean. I'm gonna clean up the area and I'll come right back. Alright, so I cleaned the area. Clean the area with some non-chlorinated brake clean. You get it at AutoZone. Or you can buy the more expensive stuff. As long as it says non-chlorinated, it kind of much can do the job. Alright, so first things first, you want to get your Phillips screwdriver. And you see this one screw right where my finger's at? That's gonna go right in this hole in your bracket. So I'm gonna take that screw out. See if I can get in there. I might have to get my smaller screwdriver. There we go. Take that screw out. Button that back up. Make sure it's snug. Bam. Try not to turn the screw too tight. You can break the plastic on this, and if you break the plastic on that, trust and believe it's gonna be a bad day for you because these things are not cheap. Alright guys, so next you want to go ahead and remove this clamp off of this hose. We're gonna be replacing that hose with the new hose on a JDP clutch system, or a reservoir, and you're going to be popping this bad boy on the end of that right there, as you can see right there. The clamp off, then you want to grab your paper towels or whatever you have, towels, anything honestly. You want to just stack it under because this stuff will ruin your paint. So alright, mine's just being kind of a butt, so I had to cut mines off. Hold on, as you can see, let me get it focused. So I had to cut mines off. You slide the little thing on. I was gonna call it something else, but I'm not gonna say that on YouTube. Everybody know what I want to say. But yeah, you slide that on. So I had to cut this one off. Then I had to slide this one on. So now what you do is you take your vice grips and you grab your little clip and you slide it over that. So let's do that. Alright, that little cheap ass clip they gave me didn't fucking fit really, so I went in my little inventory and got me one of these. So I advise you use one of these instead of that little cheap ass clip. I don't understand how people even using that thing broke on me. So I'm gonna use this right here. Okay, this is my finished progress on that. And like I said, that little clip they give you right there just was trash. It was literally trash. So I just used a different clip, just for this one, at least, just to seal it off. But now we have to get back here, way back there, and remove that clip and remove this hose, so we can put this hose in that place. All right, so got everything buttoned up. I just need to put one more, the clip way, I don't know if you can see way back there. clip that goes way back there on the new hose. clip that goes way back there. I gotta put that one on. But everything else is buttoned up, back closed off. So now this is only for brake and this is only for clutch. So let's get it done, you feel me?